disability justice leaders, community members from across the U.S., and the Health Justice Commons are launching the first medical abuse hotline.
We're partnering with Health Justice Commons to honor the memory of Carrie Ann Lucas, a queer, disabled, Latinx disability justice advocate who fought tirelessly for their community.
Carrie Ann Lucas was my partner. Carrie Ann and myself have experienced multiple forms of abuse at the hands of the medical industrial complex, and this contributed to Carrie Ann's early death.
There are too many people we know and love who have needlessly suffered and died.
The hard truth we must face, and many know all too well from the injustice we survived or from the losses of loved ones who didn't, is that the medical industrial complex takes many lives, allows us to suffer, putting profit and social control above saving lives and true healing.
Medical abuse violates our most basic human rights and dignity.
It also threatens our lives and the lives of those we love.
And it impacts the most marginalized people. Dark-skinned people, undocumented people, fat people, Black people, Indigenous people. Anybody that's already dealing with institutionalized oppression is going to be impacted by medical abuse.
And it goes unreported. We deserve better.
Survivors deserve to be heard.
I deeply support the creation of a medical abuse hotline. I am at least the second generation of people in my family who've been impacted by being denied care over and over again.
When we hear the word abuse, many of us are taught to look for the most obvious, most egregious forms of harm. But abuse is also mundane, in powerful institutions carried out by experts and professionals. This hotline is not only for extraordinary cases of abuse, but also the ordinary. It's for reclaiming our dignity and well-being. It's for all our communities, transforming our pain into power.
Most of the people I love are disabled, and I live in fear that people I love will end up dead because of racialized medical ableism.
One of the comments I hear most often from other people living with chronic illness is that no one talks about medical abuse. That has to change.
I fully support the creation of a medical abuse hotline.
This hotline will serve as a community-driven means to understand and expose the medical injustice and abuse our communities face every day. Justice is the best medicine.
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 Because your life is valuable.
We demand justice for Carrie Ann Lucas, not one more. Support the medical abuse hotline.
When we share our vision for the medical abuse hotline, people often ask, how can this not exist already? We need your help to make it real.
Join us, support us, call us.
Join us, support us, call us.
Join us, support us, call us.
And be a part of this transformation.